Hello guys, welcome to my C++ beginners course. In this introduction video, I am going to tell you what you will need to do this course and why should you do this course and how will it benefit you and make you a step forward from others. For taking this course, you only need to understand English and have a feeling of learning something new and something that you love, like your passion. You're following your passion in coding, then you can easily understand this course. I can assure you that. The course will benefit you in understanding what exactly programming is and how good this programming industry, what C++ is and why it is the fastest language in the world. You will be able to excel in any code of C++. All the beginners concept will be taught by me in this course only. But if the support is constant from your side, which I expect, then I will surely make the advanced C++ programming course. The course is fully animated and believe me, I work alone for this course and it's too time consuming for me. But it will save your time in huge amount, so that's worth it. So it will help you understanding the programming concept easily, the animation. So I hope you will join me. So that's it. Meet you in the course. Bye bye.